Hello, everyone. Every piece of advice I'm about to give you has been tested and confirmed by the mechanics here in the shop where I am right now, so relax. I'll do my best to explain everything in a way that makes sense. When that message shows up in your car, it's basically the car telling you, bro, I can't see anything, give me a moment. It's like when your phone camera lens is dirty and then you wonder why all your photos come out blurry. And the funny thing is that most people freak out thinking they broke half the car, but really it's more like when you walk out of the gym and your glasses fog up with the AC. The radar sensor is behind the emblem or down on the lower bumper, and anything that sticks to it instantly puts it in I don't want to work mode. That's why the mechanics here always say that cleaning the sensor cover is literally 50% of the quick fixes. But of course, the story doesn't end there, because if it were only dirt, nobody would be searching this on YouTube. Here's what really happens day to day. Some Nissans, especially the ones driving in cold areas or on salted roads, end up getting ice or grime stuck behind the bumper, a place you can't even see. And when that happens, the poor sensor is like a security guard with a fogged up shield. He's at his post, but he can't see anything. That's exactly why Nissan released an official kit to seal that area and keep junk from getting in again. And if you're saying, but I live where it never snows, it can still happen from a small bump you forgot about. A light tap on the bumper, a curb you hit by accident, or even a sudden temperature change can knock the sensor out of alignment. When that happens, the radar starts pointing like it's trying to look at the moon instead of the road. That's why in some cases here in the shop, we just realign the sensor and boom, problem solved. And to wrap it all up, if you go to the dealership, they already know about this issue. In fact, Nissan released service bulletins explaining how to diagnose it and what parts to use when water or dirt gets in. Just tell them your car is showing that message and that you suspect the sensor is blocked or misaligned. That's enough for them to know exactly where to start checking.